Good day, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Finding the Area of the Parallelogram shown below. Parallelogram. All right, let's dive right into it. Now remember, to find the area of a parallelogram, all we have to do is do the base times the height. And in this case, we have a base that is a whole number, 7, times a height that is a decimal, 4.6. So you just multiply them. You just have to know how to multiply decimals. So here's a quick reminder. You can simply set it up like this. 4.6, or 4 6/10 if you rather, multiplied by 7. Now, I can actually multiply this as if it were 46 times 7 by simply moving the decimal one place to the right. And now what I have is I have 46 times 7. I just need to remember to put the decimal all the way back to the left when I'm done. So let's do the multiplication now. So I know that, hold up, let me get a different color. I know that 6 times 7 is 42. So I'm going to put my 2 right there, and I'm going to carry my 4. And then I know that 7 times 4 is 28, plus the 4, 29, 30, 31, 32. So now I have 32. Now, the answer is not 322 because remember, I need to put the decimal back where I got it. So let's go ahead and do that. Since I moved it one place to the right, I now need to move it back where I got it one place to the left, which means that I have an area of 32.2 units squared. Or you could just say square units. Anyways, I hope that was helpful. Best of luck to you.